Good evening. This is Urban Queen. Today I want to do an introduction of my 23-quart Presto pressure canner cooker. I've had her a while, and I never did an unboxing of her. She's a weighted canner. I have a 23-quart. I have a video of that Presto canner. This one has this kind of weight where it rocks. It said when it comes up to pressure. I'm about to do some canning, so I said let me just do an introduction to her. As you can see, she has the same gaskets. She has a vent pipe. You can see I have water in her already, so you see a black line. That's my water line. I put that line there so I won't have to keep straining to find the line to fill the water, because that's the line that I have to fill my water to. It's 3 inches of water or 3 quarts of water. So to make it easier for myself, I put a little Sharpie line on it. I purchased this a while back from the YouTuber by the name of World of Apollonia. She's a YouTuber and a prepper, and from North Carolina. I believe she's still in North Carolina. A beautiful sister. So she purchased quite a few of them by mistake, and she was selling them on her channel, and I was watching and I saw it. So I thought, as a fellow sister, let me buy one to help her out. And she sent up, did the transaction, and it came pretty much quickly. I was pleased with the delivery. Yes. So this is part of my preps. I am a prepper, a female prepper, and this is part of my preps to prepare my food, try to learn to make healthy food, preserve my own food. Canning with pressure canners is for low acidic food, such as low acid vegetables, meat, vegetables, and shrimp and fish. So when you want to use high acidic, you can pressure can or water bath can, but pretty much water bath can when you want to use high acidic foods. I'm trying to be self-sustainable, self-sufficient, the best way I know how. So while we can do it now, why not do it? We don't want to wait till the last minute and we can't do it. So while we got the means to do it, this is why I have the means to do it, I'm doing it now. And I'm happy to be able to show you what I'm doing to prepare in these days to come. As you can see what's going on with the food prices and the foods. And I just want to be self-sufficient. So this is one of my means of being self-sufficient, by canning my own food. I just want to say thank you for the 29 subscribers that I have. I appreciate you. I bless you and keep you in all your ways. You make my heart feel good to know, because I'm shy and I'm not too much of a talker, and I get nervous talking, and I stumble over my words, and I ask you to forgive me for it. But I don't know how to edit yet, so you're getting raw and uncut videos from me. Live, raw and uncut, no editing. This is me. This is what I'm doing my best to give you. Very clean, very informative videos, the best way of my ability. So I just wanted to come and give you this quick video of my 16-quart Presto pressure canner that I'm about to do a batch of red beans. And I wanted to say thank you Stay blessed. Stay vigilant. Excuse the noise in the background. As I said, I live in a city and it's very noisy. So you may hear some noise in the background. So I say excuse me for that. But stay blessed. Stay vigilant. Keep your head on a swivel. Be self-sustainable. Prepare. Because we don't know what tomorrow may bring. So let's get ahead of the game while we can. Again, I'm Urban Queen. My channel is Urban Queen TV. Urban Queen TV 3034. Yeah, I want you to have a safe and blessed day. Keep prepping. Stay vigilant. Stay prayed up. Shalom.